Hey there, art lovers. Today we're going to create a simple and fun artwork that's perfect for beginners. Grab your pencils, paints, and let's get started. Start with a basic outline. I'm sketching a simple flower here, just basic shapes like circles for the petals and a stem. Don't stress over the details, keep it loose and light. Now, let's add a little detail. Lines in the petals, texture on the leaves. These simple additions make your artwork more interesting. Next, use an ink pen or marker to go over your lines. This helps define the shape and gives it a clean, polished look. Try to keep your hands steady. Now for the fun part, coloring. Use watercolors, colored pencils, or whatever you have on hand. Start with light layers and build up the color slowly for a more natural look. Add a bit of shading to create depth. A darker green for the leaves and a few highlights on the petals can make your artwork really pop. And there you have it, a simple, beautiful piece of art that anyone can create. Give it a try and see what you can come up with. If you enjoyed this, hit like and subscribe for more easy art tutorials. See you next time.